Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make your Instagram account private. So guys, if you want to make your account private and want that anyone can't see the posts and videos or anything on your Instagram account, so guys, if you want to hide your all the activity from Instagram, then I'll help you how to get private on Instagram. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, after this you need to click on your main profile and click on three lines, and guys, click on settings and privacy. And after this you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of account privacy. You can see guys here, so simply you need to click on it. So guys, here you can see now I have not make my account private. So guys, if you want to make your account private, then you need to turn on this tab and click on switch to private. And guys, after doing this, then anyone can't will be able to see your account activity, posts, stories or anything. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.